And here we are at Kolikoli Park at the foot of Akaka Falls and Kahuna Falls. And that's the river that the water comes down from those falls and goes into the ocean. And it's at Kolikoli Park on the Hilo coastline. Aloha!